Hey everyone, this is Brad with filterwaterdirect.com, and I just want to show you on our cartridge iron filter what's in the box, what you're going to get, and it's real simple to put together. It doesn't come with any instructions on how to put together, but I'm going to put together a PDF and make it downloadable from the website so you can use it if you need help. But when you get the box open, you ought to have these components. You ought to have your filter cartridge. You ought to have your housing. This is the 20-inch tall Big Blue housing. You ought to have the top, the screw-in top, and of course the wrench and the wall bracket, okay, for mounting to the wall to hold it. And I'll put this together and show you here in a bit what it looks like. But it's very straightforward on how to put it together, and it's very simple. And again, we'll have a PDF download from the website with actual assembly if you need that. All right, this is what it's going to look like assembled, and I'm just doing it here in the back room in our office. So the backdrops are cabinets, but I guess it doesn't matter. Anyway, you can see what the wrench's purpose is, and that is for unscrewing the housing. This red button is actually a pressure relief, so when it comes time to replace this cartridge, you of course turn the water off wherever your water is, and press the button to release the pressure on this housing so you don't have high pressure whenever you take the housing off, and then simply unscrew the housing and the filter cartridge will be inside of it, and replace it, put it back together. You will have an O-ring in here that you want to be careful. You can actually over tighten this housing too tight and crimp that O-ring. I recommend a little bit of Vaseline on that O-ring, and then just gently make sure everything's put back together straight and gently tighten that housing back up. And then turn your water back on slow and check it for any leakage, and you're good to go.